Hey folks, for you guys that have a Toyota and you're trying to pressure test your cooling system and it's got this little tiny little radiator cap, you need an adapter for it to work with your old system, whether it's a Stant pressure cooling system or this is an old Blue Point. Okay, in order to get to the naturally big radiator cap, you need to get this little tiny adapter right here. All right. I think Stant has a part number 7091, but you can't find it anywhere. But CTA makes one. CTA, the part number is 7091. Not sure about the Stant one. I have to double check on that one. But the small one made by CTA is 7091. It's for the shallow neck. And it converts it from this little tiny radiator cap into the big one so you could do a pressure test on it. All right. It spins on just like a regular tester. Okay, remember the plastic is the radiator cap is plastic. I gotta do it right-handed. Hang on, let me get this for you. All right, comes right out, fits in there. Got a nice little rubber seal to it. It also comes with another little rubber adapter in case you need it, depending on what tester that you're gonna use. On this one, I didn't need this one, so I left it out. But other than that, this is the way it is. All right, CTA 7091, designed for these little tiny little radiator caps. All right, so I'm just testing this one for a little leak. It loses just a little bit at a time. On this one, I found it on the upper radiator hose right there. It only leaks during the mornings when it's cold. Once the rubber radiator hose softens up and it seals it, doesn't leak. It's only in the morning. And you can see a little spot in there. Okay, once I pressurized it. All right, that's it. I'm going to fill it up. It is now done. It's good. Tighten up that clamp because this hose was changed probably about a month ago. All right, so over time, a lot of people don't like those worm clamps because they do loosen up, but it all depends on how tight you want to make tight. Okay, because everybody tightens up all their stuff differently. Or hand pressures, everybody's strength is totally different. All right, but that is done. This is good. I'm gonna just fill this up with antifreeze. The jar is topped off, so like I said, it doesn't lose much, but just enough to get annoying right into the driveway. All right, so that's it. CTA 7091 for Toyotas with the small little radiator caps. That's it. Thanks for watching. Ciao.